Hey guys, so we made a trip to Summit Racing, pick up a new engine hoist, which I'll be making a video on. It's an assembly video, and not that that's a big deal. Hopefully somebody might get some use out of it. But anyway, while we were there, I picked up a vise. It's going to be for the bench that we're going to build for down here. And we're going to open it up and show you what it is. It's a Wilton. It's called the Bash Special Edition. It includes a free mounting bracket. And look at that, sledgehammer. But yeah, this is the kind of vise you can fit into a receiver on your truck or ATV or work vehicle, whatever you would have a hitch mount on. Go ahead and open that up. So we're gonna see what it looks like inside. Now, I wanted this vise for multiple reasons. For my business, I am going to be putting together a box truck, and I'm having trouble finding the exact thing I want now because of, what's been going on for the past 2 years or year and a half. So once I get that box truck, I will have a hitch on it for the work I do. I think this vise would be useful at certain times, and also on the workbench. I think it would be more useful to have a vise that came off the workbench instead of being on the workbench. So that's why I went with this style. Multiple reasons, but get used mostly inside here in the garage, but I will use it when I do certain jobs. Actually, I expect it to be like a brighter green, but that's pretty cool. Trying to damage the sticker, my decal. Is that 2x2? It looks like. I have to put it in the receiver and see what it does. How well it fits. So this is the mount here that acts as a hitch. And we'll mount this to the workbench or welding table or whatnot. I'm not sure yet. Haven't figured that out. And that slides in there, and then you put a pin in here just like you would a trailer hitch. You can't go wrong with a free sledgehammer. Nice. See that? Nice. Wilton. That looks like a quality piece. Wonder where it's made. So anyway, this is the vise. I believe this was a 5-inch. Yeah. And you can put conduit in here, so that's what I'm concerned with, or being able to put conduit in there and holding that. So if anybody's used these, if anybody has any questions, any comments, let me know what you think. See you.